Nepal's natural treasures, rhododendrons, Himalayas, and forests. Nepal is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, with lush forests, snow-capped mountains, and vibrant flowers adorning its landscape. Rhododendron, Nepal's national flower. Rhododendron, known as laliguras in Nepal, is the country's national flower. Blooming in the spring, these bright red flowers paint the hillsides with striking colors. Nepal is home to about 32 species of rhododendrons, found mainly in regions like Ilam, Rolpa, Sankhwasbha, Dolpa, and Mustang. Beyond their beauty, rhododendrons also have medicinal properties and are a vital part of Nepal's ecosystem. The Himalayas, pride of Nepal. Nepal is home to the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848 meters. The Himalayas not only attract trekkers and mountaineers from around the world but also serve as the primary source of Nepal's rivers. Peaks like Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, Lhotse, and Kanchenjunga add to the country's natural grandeur, making Nepal a top destination for adventure seekers. Forests, Nepal's green heritage. Forests cover about 40% of Nepal's land area, providing a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. From the dense sal forests of the Terai to the mixed forests of the hills and alpine woods in the Himalayas, Nepal's greenery plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. National parks like Chitwan, Badia, and Shuklafanta protect rare wildlife such as the Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinoceros, and red panda. Thus, Nepal's natural treasures, its rhododendrons, Himalayas, and forests, make it a paradise for nature lovers. These resources not only add to the country's scenic beauty but also support biodiversity, tourism, and local livelihoods. It is our collective responsibility to preserve and protect them for future generations. Nepal's natural beauty, a paradise for tourists. Nepal, a land of breathtaking landscapes, is a dream destination for both domestic and international tourists. Its majestic mountains, vibrant rhododendrons, and lush forests make it a heaven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The Himalayas, a mountaineer's dream. Nepal is home to the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, attracting climbers, trekkers, and explorers from around the globe. Other famous peaks like Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, Kanchenjunga, and Lhotse offer mesmerizing trekking routes, drawing thousands of visitors each year. The Himalayas are not just about adventure, they also provide spiritual solace, scenic beauty, and an unparalleled connection with nature. Rhododendrons, Nepal's blossoming beauty. During spring, Nepal's hills turn into a sea of red, pink, and white as rhododendrons, laliguras, bloom. As Nepal's national flower, rhododendrons add to the country's charm, making treks through regions like Langtang, Annapurna, and the eastern hills even more picturesque. This floral beauty captivates both photographers and nature lovers, enhancing Nepal's reputation as a vibrant tourist destination. Forests and wildlife, a green wonderland. Covering nearly 40% of Nepal's land, the country's forests are rich in biodiversity. National parks like Chitwan, Badia, and Sagarmatha protect rare species such as the one-horned rhinoceros, Bengal tiger, red panda, and snow leopard. Jungle safaris, bird watching, and ecotourism activities attract nature enthusiasts looking for an immersive experience in the wild. A destination of unmatched natural beauty. Nepal's natural wonders make it an ideal getaway for adventure lovers, trekkers, wildlife enthusiasts, and those seeking peace amidst pristine landscapes. Whether it's the towering Himalayas, the enchanting rhododendron forests, or the diverse flora and fauna, Nepal remains a top destination for travelers from all over the world. It is our collective duty to preserve this natural beauty for future generations, ensuring Nepal continues to shine as a global tourist hotspot.